Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today in class 4, subject English, I am going to explain you Unit 7, a watering rhyme. Students, in your Unit 7 there are 2 poems and 1 lesson. So let's see. First poem, a watering rhyme. Everyone, you can open your Marigold textbook. Yes, here you can see a watering rhyme, the giving tree and the donkey. So students, here what is the meaning of watering? Watering means to water the plants or flowers, right? It is called watering. See here, early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Okay, so students, now see the explanation. Early in the morning means at the time in the morning, and early, right, means early morning or the evening hour or at the evening time, right, are the times to water every kind of flower. Means it is the time to water every kind of flower. Which time is best? Early in the morning or the evening hour. You can water the plants or flower. Right, students? So here in these lines it is said that if you water the plants or flowers, water them at early in the morning or at the evening hour. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. So if you will water flowers or plants at noonday, what is the meaning of noonday? Noonday means the middle of the day, right? Middle time of the day. Means at afternoon time. If you will water the flowers at noon time when the sun is high, means there is too much hot at this time, at afternoon time, right, doesn't help the flowers. It will not help the flowers, only makes them die. Flowers will die, this water will not helpful to them. So early in the morning and at evening hour is the best time to water the plants. Okay, so students, here in this first stanza it is said that if you are watering the plants, so water them at early in the morning or at the evening hour. If you will water them at noonday, it will not helpful for them, right? Here in this picture you can see this boy is watering the flowers, right? Beautiful flowers are here, you can see. Okay, now come to next page, turn your page. On page number 115, second stanza. Also when you water, water at the roots. Flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Okay, so when you are watering, water at the roots. What is the meaning of roots, students? Here you can see this part is root part of the flowers or plant, right? You can see this boy is watering at the root side. Okay, so if you want to water the plants or flowers, water them at the root side. Why? Because flowers keep their mouth where we should wear our boots, right? These flowers keep their mouth where we wear our boots. Okay, so this flower's mouth is at the root side. So if you will water at the root, it will good for them, right? Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. So when you are watering, soak around earth of the flowers, right? Why? Because through all the heat, these flowers become thirsty. So around the earth also you will water, okay, when you are watering. So here in second stanza, what it say? It is said that when you are watering the plants, water them at the root side, because their mouth, flowers keep their mouth there, so that easily they can get water. And when you are watering, also water the around part of this flower, right, around earth, because all this heat, this part also become thirsty. Now students, here explanation is over. This poem is written by P.A. Robs. Now students, let's see new words. Hour, H-O-U-R, hour means 60 minutes. Then watering. What is the meaning of watering? Watering means making something wet. Then noonday. Noonday means the middle of the day. Boots. Boots means footwear that cover the whole foot and lower leg. Soak, S-O-A-K, soak. Soak means to make something wet by dipping it. And heat. Heat means high temperature. Okay, so students, this is your poem, a watering rhyme. In this poem, how to water the plants, it is said, right? I hope you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.